Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create AI avatars just like that from any of your photos 100% free. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first you're gonna do is to open up your app store and then just hit at that search icon and search for Photo Lab, just like that. Among these options, select Photo Lab Art Picture Editor. And then just download and install that app. I'm just gonna hit add open because I have that app already installed at my device. And once the app opens, you can buy a subscription or you can use this app for free. Just hit right here at top left hand corner on that X icon, and now you are able to select art style in which you want to make your photo. You can just scroll down among all these different art styles. Some of them are really cool, really awesome, and let me select one. I like that one. Then you can just hit on that style and you can now upload any of your photo from your camera roll, or you can just take a photo hitting on camera icon, and also you can select any photo from suggested. So I'm gonna hit at that icon to select a photo from my camera roll. I'm gonna select let it be that one, and then all you have to do is just hit at that icon to start creating an avatar. Then you have to wait for some time. Right here it shows your progress bar, and all you have to do is just wait. Usually it takes maybe 1 or 2 minutes to create your avatar. And after a short time it shows me the result, and also it offers me again to get paid subscription. I can in the same way hit at that X icon, and after that, in order to save that image to your camera roll, you can just hit right here at share icon and then just tap at that arrow down icon and then hit on that X icon again. Image saved. Now you can move on to your photos, and right here at recents you can easily find the photo that you have just created. There are some kind of a logo on that photo. Here it is. And if you want to save your image without a logo, you can buy paid subscription, or you can go back to the app and then you can on that page just make a screenshot. So just hold down at the same time power and volume up button. In that way it takes a screenshot. Then you can open up that screenshot, and then in that simple way you can simply crop it just like that. And now you can hit on done and select save to photos. Now you can move on to the photos, and as you can see here we got awesome AI avatar that created from a photo without any watermarks and 100% free. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my photos tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.